The power of walking, the simple exercise with big benefits. Want to stay active, strong, and energized in your 50s and 60s? The easiest way to do it is simply walking. No fancy equipment, no gym memberships, just you, a pair of comfortable shoes, and the open path ahead. Walking isn't just exercise, it's a total body investment in your health. And the best part? You can do it at your own pace. Let's break it down into 3 levels: casual, brisk, and power walking, each with its own benefits. Level 1. Casual walking, the foundation. If you're just getting started, casual walking is the perfect way to ease in. A 20 to 30-minute daily walk can improve circulation, reduce joint stiffness, boost your mood. It's also a great stress reliever, just you, fresh air, and time to unwind. Level 2. Brisk walking, the energy booster. Pick up the pace and now you're brisk walking. This means walking with intention, a little faster but still able to hold a conversation. This level does more than keep you moving. It strengthens your heart, burns calories, and even improves brain function. Aiming for 3 to 4 days a week, 30 minutes per session, can make a huge difference in your endurance and overall fitness. Level 3. Power walking, the full body workout. Want to take it up a notch? Power walking is your ticket to a real workout. This means moving at a faster clip, engaging your arms, and keeping good posture. At this level, you can strengthen muscles and bones, improve balance and coordination, burn even more calories. Adding small hills or light hand weights can boost intensity without adding strain. Making walking a habit. No matter your level, the key is consistency. Make it social, walk with a friend. Make it fun, listen to your favorite music or podcasts. And most importantly, make it yours. Because walking isn't just about staying fit, it's about feeling great inside and out. So lace up those shoes, step outside, and start walking your way to better health, one step at a time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.